Okay, hello. I'm Nick Earl. I'm a climate scientist at the University of Tasmania, and today I'm asking your excellent question. Are clouds in the future going to change in their density, color, level in the atmosphere, and other effects due to pollution and atmospheric changes? Now, clouds are very difficult to predict how they're going to behave, basically, and what the overall consequence of the changes in cloud dynamics is going to be. So, clouds, basically, they can shade the Earth from the sun during the day because they are white. So, the sun's energy comes down, and because it's white, it reflects back to space. Whereas at nighttime, clouds can act as a blanket and actually stop heat escaping. So how and when clouds form is very important to the global temperature. Cloud formation happens on very small scales, which are really hard to include in models because models can only go down to a few kilometers per grid square, per pixel, whereas the processes which create clouds often happen at a way smaller scale. And to do with density and color, I mean, so clouds have a lot of lots of different clouds have different densities. Colors, yeah, because the higher the cloud, the more sun it's blocking out, so the darker it looks. So when it's about to rain, the clouds are very tall, and that stops the light from getting to the surface, which is why they're dark gray. The clouds when it's going to rain, the thin clouds are white because a lot of the sun's energy can still get through. But obviously, when you have things like bushfires occur, that can greatly change the color of clouds, as I'll just show you now. So, as you can see here, this was in Canberra during the bushfires in 2019, and it very much changed the color of the clouds. So basically, in the future, if we get more bushfires, then we can expect more of scenes like this. However, I feel the clouds you're thinking about are more like this. So these are stratocumulus clouds, which often form over the ocean. And these are very important when it comes to the global temperature because, as you can see, they're white and that reflects a lot of the energy straight back into space rather than the dark blue, which absorbs a lot of the sun's energy. So this reflects the energy instead of absorbing it when you have clouds like this. Now, unfortunately, clouds like this look like they're gonna get less in the future potentially. Now, like I said, it's very uncertain. We are not sure. However, some scientists say that it is likely that these types of cloud, which are very important in cooling the planet, will actually get less. It will be harder for them to form in over a warmer planet, basically.